Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your quality machine tools and services provider. Today we are introducing the multi-grind cylindrical surface and tool grinding machine. The special construction enables the functions of round, flat and tool grinding to be combined in one machine. The machine frame is built in a cross-bed construction and is characterized by its outstanding stability. With this design, the cutting and acceleration forces are transferred to the frame over the shortest possible route, ensuring a smooth table and grinding head movement. The heavy weight of the casted construction also minimizes the effects of vibrations and offers optimal conditions for precise grinding results. The hydraulic longitudinal table movement is infinitely variable, very constant and with a smooth change of direction. An additional manual rapid traverse with hydraulic support enables feed speeds of up to 7 meters per minute. The work headstock features a 3-step gear unit running in an oil bath and can be equipped with a center point or a lather chuck. For conical grinding of short workpieces, the grinding headstock can be adjusted at an angle. The entire table can also be swiveled for processing long workpieces. The special design of the wheel head enables the machine to be used in a wide range of applications. This can be moved in the transverse direction but can also be adjusted in height and pivoted around the vertical axes. Depending on the application, 2 grinding wheels for different applications and an internal grinding device can be accommodated. For external centrical grinding, the workpiece is either clamped on one side or between centers, supported in the stable tailstock. The special 3-point bearing of the grinding spindle guarantees a low temperature influence and a consistently good grinding pattern. An internal grinding device can also be attached to the headstock. It can be used to machine bores with a diameter of 10 to 50 millimeters. Light surface grinding work is also possible. A workpiece with a width of up to 50 mm can be held in the standard vise, ideal for knife segments or clamping strips. Tool grinding is another functional area of the multi-grind that we would like to demonstrate using a few examples. Blunted cutting tools for metal, wood and plastic processing can be made useful again by resharpening them. The multi-grind cannot replace special tool grinding machines, but it offers the possibility of machining the cutting edges on a large number of tools. With an angle adjustable swivel head with MK4 cone, different tool holders can be accommodated and the front cutting angle of different milling cutters can be machined. The universal structure and the different abrasives offer solutions for a multitude of grinding requirements that have to be worked out individually for each application. In this application example, both cutting edges of an end mill are revised. The cutting edges of angle and side milling cutters can also be sharpened in this way, provided that they can be picked up with a short mandrel. Clamped with a combination milling arbor, shell end mills can be machined manually edge by edge. Reamers are clamped and machined between tailstock centers. The workpiece is positioned manually for each grinding processes. Depending on the application, auxiliary devices may also be necessary in order to carry out a grinding task exactly. Here it offers a lot of space for individual solutions. With the exception of the tools and combination milling arbors, all shown clamping and grinding devices are part of the machine's standard accessories. In addition, the central lubrication, a coolant device and the suction complete the extensive standard equipment of the multi-grind. Here at KNUTH Machine Tools, we offer a variety of interesting grinding machines and a large number of other powerful cutting machines. Contact your nearest representative today to find the best solution for your business.